Well, it's the Archaic Head Hunter, and I'm back on here again with another mushroom hunt. Decided to come out for work again, check another spot. Still haven't found any blacks or grays here, but as this weird season's doing, big yellow right there. But we'll get the knife out, cut him, and we'll take a walk up around the top of this bench and keep the camera on, see if we can't find another one. Pretty. But stick him in the sack and we'll take a little walk up the keys. I don't see nothing else poking out. But I might be able to walk up on a couple more. This little spot up here had them in last year. Don't see nothing there. I hate to think I walked all the way back in here for one, but if there's one, there should be more. Well, I'm not going to eat my video time up searching for them, but I'll be back on here if I find another one. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I come across a couple more. I'll go ahead and take these ones. There's one right there. There's one right there. So I'll keep looking around and hopefully I'll come up with a good dozen or so today. Thanks for watching. Had my morels chilling out in that salad spinner with some salt water in the fridge overnight. Made some sausage patties out on the grill. And then I used my Cajun batterer, magic batterer, whatever the heck it's called. It's got seasoned flour in the bottom and holes up on top of that red thing. You shake it around and it batters all your mushrooms for you. Industrial. And here's the end result. Got the 24 cast iron out today. This is the second skillet full that I have made. I've got all my little cousins outside, so decided I'd make some morels for them. Waiting on them to crisp up and get golden brown. But that's the way we like them. And I think I got some finished product over here. Best eating there is.